Hey everyone, welcome back to Sync O Tech. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top 3 must-have tools for electronics enthusiasts. These tools are essential for any electronics project, from building circuits to making repairs. So let's jump right in. First up, we have wire cutters. These handy tools are perfect for cutting and stripping wires to the desired length. Look for wire cutters with sharp, precision blades and comfortable handles for extended use. With wire cutters in your toolkit, you'll be able to make clean cuts and prepare wires for soldering with ease. Wire cutters are essential for any electronics project, whether you're building a circuit from scratch or making repairs. Next on our list is needle nose pliers. These versatile tools are perfect for gripping and bending small components, such as resistors, capacitors, and wires. Look for needle nose pliers with long, tapered jaws for reaching into tight spaces, and ergonomic handles for comfortable use. With needle nose pliers in your toolkit, you'll have the precision and control you need to work with small components effectively. Last but not least, we have the helping hands tool. This invaluable tool holds your workpiece steady while you solder, leaving your hands free to focus on the task at hand. While you can purchase helping hands tools, did you know that you can also make your own? There are many tutorials available online that show you how to create a DIY helping hands tool using simple materials like alligator clips, a base, and adjustable arms. With a helping hands tool, whether store-bought or homemade, in your workshop, you'll be able to tackle even the most intricate soldering tasks with ease. And there you have it, the top 3 must-have tools for electronics enthusiasts: wire cutters, needle nose pliers, and the helping hands tool. With these tools in your toolkit, you'll be well equipped to tackle any electronics project that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and happy tinkering.